Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Akismet on your website, WordPress website. Akismet is a really important plugin if you want to protect your website from spam commands that are really bad. So in any case, by default, when you install WordPress on your hosting, mostly you are going to basically find out that Akismet is already installed but it is not activated. In case it is not installed, you can manually install it from add plugins. Just click on plugins and click add new, search for Akismet and download it right away. So I have to show you that how the logo of Akismet looks. This is how it looks. In any case, after you have installed it, you need to activate the plugin. Aside from that one, I have already logged in with my Gmail inside here and everything is, I think, good to go. For now, you have to click on set up your Akismet account. It's going to open it into a new tab. From here, you have to come here and choose get personal. Do not use the other plans. And now you can see that there is a slider which is going to cost $36 per year, but we want the free plan. So you have to simply drag the slider to the left. It's going to charge $0 at all. Now you have to simply go ahead and enter your email address. Then your name, your website URL, you need to copy that. And you need also to check the following options. Now click continue with personal subscription. Okay, you need to check your email because Akismet is going to send the verification code there. Now you have to paste that one here. Oops, sorry. Copy and now paste that here. Control V and now click continue. Okay, I think it is done. That is done. The moment everything is set up, you will receive an API key in your Gmail account. You need to copy that API key and then go ahead back into your website. Now click on manually enter an API key. You have to paste that API key and now click connect with API key. Right now everything is good to go. You can just go ahead with the default settings by clicking save changes, and now it is done. So basically the spam commands are going to be protected automatically into your website and they will not appear in the command section, but it will appear in the spam category here. So this is how you can easily set up Akismet on your website. For more videos such as like this, you need to follow my YouTube channel IntoGuide.com. Also, there is a video that I have provided inside my YouTube channel that you can use it to get 20% subscription on the Hostinger plans. So just simply search on Google 20% Hostinger discount. Here you can see that this is from Ghulam Abbas, that is also me, and this is how to get 20% discount on any Hostinger plans easily. You can watch the entire video or the short one is also here. You can just simply watch and learn how you can get 20% discount. Now I have used the coupon codes from these videos which are not going to get you the deal that you are looking that I have provided in this video. So have a nice day, goodbye, and I will meet you guys in the next video.